while now, and I've been running A/B tests on my website, mainly for the headlines right now. It turns out that this headline works best, so I'm going to stick with that one. And now I want to try the CTA buttons. It says try today now, and I want to see if try now works better. I have the suspicion that it will, but it's best to just check, right? So the easiest thing to do for me is to just ask ChatGPT to change the code block a bit, adjust everything we need to adjust, give me statements for my database to add the button tests. So let's give it a shot. I've already typed it in here and pasted my index code, so let's try. So below is my updated code with the headlines A/B test removed and a new block added to run A/B test and CTA button text. In this version, the hero headline is now fixed to turn your long content into bite-sized gold, while both the hero CTA button and the get started buttons use the A/B test variant try today or try now. Also provided the SQL statements to create a table insert. Okay, cool. If you look at the website, where is get started actually? Ah, there, yeah, that makes sense. It's useful to try, so let's give it a shot. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. It's nice that O3 Mini High is quite good in coding actually, but sometimes it's a little bit slow. It just writes everything for you, so that's quite nice. Usually I can just copy paste it and it seems to work quite well. I don't have to do a lot of debugging anymore, so that's really nice. So let's see, we change this and then add the table to the database. There we go, yeah, sweet. Insert this, yep. Sweet as well, yeah, save it. Boom, and now it's try now or try today, and probably it says so in here as well. Yeah, try now. Cool. So now we just have to run the test and see whatever works best. But this way you can